Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today, as you can see from the title, I have another very exciting unboxing for you. I'll be unboxing two handbags. One of them very hard to get, so yeah, there is a lot of Louis, also a lot of Chanel from the new spring summer 2021 collection. I managed to pick up some pieces. I don't have all of them, but most of them arrived, so I can't wait to show you. And yeah, let's get started. Also, before we do, don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, where I show you my new purchases, how I style them, give you some outfit inspo, so I would love to see you there as well. Check out my Instagram. Alright, let's go. For the first three items that I'm going to show you, I actually need your help to decide what to keep. I borrowed these items from a friend of mine who has a pre-loved company called Papillonkia. So me and Akila met at this event back in 2019, I believe, and we started chatting, and she's so lovely. She explained about what she does, her business, and yeah, I've known her for a while now. So you guys know that last year I actually started buying more pre-loved items. So I was on her website and actually found some items that I really was interested in, and I spoke to her and she was kind enough to send me all three to try at home and see what I would like to keep, and also show you guys so you can see some of the products she is selling. Okay, let me just start unboxing some of the items. So the first one is a handbag, as I mentioned, and this handbag is currently sold out everywhere. Here it is. Did you guys guess by the size? This is this little adorable Louis Vuitton. Oh my god, what was the name? Sac Plat? Petit Sac Plat? So this is the bag. I want to show you it inside. It's super tiny, but it's super adorable. I think it fits enough. It will fit your essentials. So yeah, this is the first item that I picked up. Let me know what you guys think. I'm very curious. This comes in different colors. Now they released it in different colors. I believe they did some limited edition ones as well with like a different print, if I'm not mistaken. But this is the classic one, and I definitely was interested in the classic monogram. It is so cute. And actually the monogram one is the hardest one to get. It's always sold out. I've seen other resellers sell it for a lot more than retail, whereas this was available at Papillonkia for almost the same price as retail, so that is a great find. And by the way guys, they are a very safe and trusted environment for clients to purchase and sell. You can not only buy, but you can sell with them. You can consign your unused items. All their items are authenticated by experts, so you can have a peace of mind. And they also accept returns, which not many pre-loved brands do. They have a 14-day policy, return policy, so that is amazing. I'm so happy that I discovered Papillonkia and that I met the owner. She's so passionate about what she does. They have teamed up with various charities, so whether you are selling or consigning a piece with them, you can choose to donate up to 100% of the proceeds. So yeah, I was very impressed that she has this brilliant platform for designer lovers, and one of the reasons I love buying pre-loved is not only because you can save money, but you can also find pieces that you've missed on and hard to get items like this one. So yeah, definitely check them out. I will leave a link down below. Okay, the next item comes in this huge Louis Vuitton box, and did I mention it is a ready-to-wear piece? And this one has been used, but it's an item that I missed on. I believe they released this either last year or the year before, and it was very popular and I really loved it. Let me show you it. Okay, here it is, this beautiful knitted jacket. Look how gorgeous. You guys may remember this. It was a very popular piece. It sold out very fast, but it was also very expensive. This retailed for around 4,000, maybe a bit under 4,000 pounds, which I found quite pricey, and I didn't really want to spend that much for a knitted jacket. So I was very happy that I found this dreamy, beautiful Louis Vuitton jacket on the pre-loved market from Papillonkia, and the price, guys, you won't believe it, £1,200. Look how amazing. The condition is literally brand new. However, only two of the buttons are missing, but they're here. I have them, so I can put them back. It's just how most luxury brands sew their buttons and tags. They don't sew them very tightly. This is in size S, and it runs quite big. I'll try it on so you can see how it fits. I was over the moon that I found this pre-loved, because I wasn't gonna buy it brand new from the store because I thought it was a bit too expensive, but I actually think buying pre-loved luxury ready-to-wear is great because you can find some fabulous brand new pieces in great condition. And guys, I also think that the way clothes are made and used today is extremely wasteful and polluting. So Papillonkia 100% supports circular economy and sustainability of luxury items. Their whole business model of the brand is built around circular economy and sustainability. I love looking and searching for pre-loved designer ready-to-wear pieces. You can find some absolutely fabulous pieces that are in perfect condition, like this jacket. They actually have so many amazing pieces on their website. I will link my favorite ones. I will show you my favorite ones on my Instagram stories as well. They have my Fendi poncho in an excellent condition, and it was such a popular piece. It was sold out everywhere. They have it on their website, much cheaper than what I paid for mine. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you prefer the jacket or the bag? Which one should I keep, or should I just keep both? Let me know. Okay, we're slowly moving to Chanel. This next item is another item that I picked up from Papillonkia that I really wanted to show you because I saw she had it and I asked to borrow it so I can show it to you. I know many of you would be interested to see this. It is sold out completely everywhere. It was very popular. This is from the previous collection, 21P. So this is brand new. It comes, as you can see, original box, authenticity card, certificates, everything. The paperwork, guys, it is. I was very curious to see this in person. Because the stores now are closed here in the UK, I couldn't go check out any of the new pieces from Chanel, and I was very curious to see this. This, guys, is the Sunglass Bag. It's a sunglasses case. See, it comes with the authenticity card. I'll put it back in. But they made the sunglasses case into a bag. It looks like a little classic bag because it has the Mona Lisa pocket. It has the sticker on, so it's brand new, unused. It has the beautiful burgundy lining. However, it is very mini, very small, and the price point, because this is a small leather good, was very attractive. So I know many people bought this to use as a handbag. They released it in many colors and they are completely sold out everywhere. So yeah, this is the popular sunglass case bag I wanted to show you. I will try it on so you can see how it looks on me. For reference, I am 5'6", 171 centimeters tall. If you're interested to buy this, you can contact them directly via Instagram. Definitely follow them on Instagram actually, because they post their new in stock first on their Instagram and then they post it on their website. So yeah, these are the three items from Papillonkia that I picked up and I really was excited to show you. So yeah, let me know which one was your favorite. And also, before we move on to the rest of the Chanel Spring Summer pieces, they did give me a discount code, so I wanted to share that with you in case you wanted to go check out their website and purchase anything. I will just look at my phone so I can make sure I don't miss out anything. The code I will leave here, it is Maria50. It will be valid until the 30th of June 2021, and the minimum spend is 500 with a usage limit of 1 per user, which is amazing. Thank you so much for providing a discount code for my subscribers. So yeah, let's move on with the rest of the Chanel pieces. Right, here we go. All these three purchases are new in from the spring summer, and I am waiting for 2 more items, and it is handbags, 2 handbags. I'm super excited, okay? So I can't wait for that unboxing, but let me show you what else I got. This I saw on the runway. I took a picture, I screenshotted it and sent to my SA months ago. So when they received it, I was like, yep, of course I'm taking it. I've been waiting for like months to get this. It is this stunning Chanel headband. How beautiful, so classic and beautiful. And by the way, look at this combo, guys, how nice. because it has the classic Chanel chain and the classic turn lock as well. It is so beautiful. I'm going to try it on. I'm not going to put it on now, but I'll insert a clip so you can see how this looks on. This looks great with my hair up in a ponytail. This looks great with my hair down. It is one size. They didn't have different sizes. It is leather. It is a full leather headband, and it has the beautiful classic champagne gold chain with the beautiful CC. They also had other styles that are also very popular and sold out, like they sold out so quick. All of these headbands with this collection, I definitely wanted this because I think this is perfect to wear every day. It looks so cute on, and I love that it's quite slim. They had other two styles that my Essie also kept for me, and she sent me pictures, but to be honest, even when I saw them on the runway a couple of months ago, I didn't really like them. I thought the logo is too big and it looks like you're wearing a tiara right in the middle of your head. So yeah, I will insert pictures here because she did send me pictures of the other ones. She had the plain one and the one with the pearls, little pearls, and they were a lot more expensive as well. This one was about 700, was it 700? Oh gosh, I can't remember. I know it's a lot of money, but to me this is such a forever piece. It's very classic and it looks great on. I think I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of this, and I have so many Chanel bags, so I thought this was the best choice because it has the classic chain and it will go with all my bags, so I love that one. Right, I also picked up two more pieces. I'm not sure which is which, so let me just unbox. They both go together, so they're the same style. Which one is this? I'm so curious now. I've seen both of them, but which one is it? Ah, okay, so this. Oh, I love this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So you guys may know that when I reviewed the collection, I mentioned that I really liked this style. I loved the necklace. There is the same necklace, belt, earrings, drop earrings, hoop earrings. Oh my god, what else did they have? They did quite a few different pieces in the same design with these beautiful gold bows, pearls, let's say pearls, okay? It sounds better. So yeah, I picked up this gorgeous bracelet. I know I said I was gonna stay away from Chanel costume jewelry pieces and just focus on their earrings and just buy earrings. However, I couldn't pass on this beautiful bracelet. I think it is so stunning. I love that it's a bit more chunky. It has two big Chanel logos, one in the middle and one dangling. It's a bit more gold actually. I know sometimes champagne gold could look a bit more silverish. However, this looks a bit more gold, which I love. It matches really nice my Cartier pieces because it doesn't look too pale compared to my yellow gold jewelry. So yeah, I'm gonna try this on and show you. I think it is so beautiful, and now I'm very tempted to get the matching necklace. They have a long necklace and they have a short, like a choker necklace, and the belt. The belt is so beautiful. I can just imagine the belt in this design in summer will be so lovely. So yeah, that's that. Okay, there is one last Chanel item to show you, again from the new collection, and this comes in this box. And this item, some of you might have spotted already in my vlog video. I'll make sure I link it up here. Showed you a sneak peek there. I was too impatient. I really wanted to try these babies out. These gorgeous earrings. I was dying to get these. I saw them again on the runway and I thought these would be so beautiful for summer. They're super oversized and big. I was a bit worried. I wasn't sure if these would be very heavy. However, I'm very happy to report they're not. They're very lightweight. They're bigger than the ones that I'm currently wearing from Louis Vuitton. I know the Louis Vuitton ones are very popular and I know many of you might have these ones, so I wanted to compare them. So the Louis Vuitton ones are light. I don't find them heavy. However, these Chanel hoops are bigger and I find them even lighter than the Louis Vuitton ones. The price, Again, I can't remember exactly, and I tried to find the receipt just now, but I can't find it. I think I paid around £700 for these, or a bit over, 730 I would say probably. So yeah, they were quite pricey, but you know, earrings normally are very pricey. And yesterday I was randomly browsing on eBay. These popped up and I was shocked. The price of these, someone was reselling this pair for £1,800. I was like, who would buy them, seriously? With some of these very hot, popular Chanel costume jewelry pieces, they do resell for a lot more, and people do buy them. That's what happened with that Chanel earrings. I think now they made these permanent, but Chanel earrings, even used earrings, I've seen resell for more than retail. So that's why I don't mind buying costume jewelry, especially earrings from Chanel, because I know I can always get my money back if I ever decide to sell them. So I know many people say, Maria, why do you keep buying these instead of fine jewelry? But guys, I have to be honest with you, fine jewelry pieces, they don't resell very well, because fine jewelry pieces, as soon as you buy it and start wearing, they scratch, and you can check the resale value. It goes down. You can never get your money back for fine jewelry pieces, even with like diamonds, or that you can't get the money paid for them. So that's why I don't mind buying Chanel costume, especially Chanel costume jewelry pieces. I can't say the same about other Dior, Hermes, Fendi costume jewelry. It doesn't resell well at all. You can never get your money back or more, but Chanel always does, so that's why. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's huge unboxing video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if I should keep this little baby or the jacket, because I'm still unsure, and I would love to hear from you and your thoughts. So yeah, let's chat, leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.